So, I welcome you to the lecture series on practical image processing using OpenCV Python and myself, Dr. Bora. And today, our topic is blurring an image with median blur. So, you may notice that this is the original image, and after going through the blurring operation with median blur, you will get an output like that. In the last lecture also you have seen that how can we blur an image with Gaussian blur. Now today we'll deal with the median blur function. Okay, so median blur. Here the median of all the pixels of the image is calculated inside the kernel area. And I hope that you guys know what is median. If you know, do comment that what do you mean by median. Okay, then the central value is then replaced with the resultant median value. So we are replacing the central value with the median that we have just found inside the kernel area. Okay, that's the whole concept behind the median blur. First, median of all the pixels of the image is calculated inside the kernel area. Then you replace the central value with the resultant median value. Okay, then question may come in that when to use median blurring. Okay, so median blurring is used when there are salt and pepper noise in the image. About salt and pepper noise, in my digital image processing lectures, I am discussing that different types of noises and how to deal with those noises. Okay, kindly refer that because this is the practical session. I'm not going into the details of those discussion, but do remember that when we will use median blurring will be used when you find salt and pepper noise in the image. Now, to implement this median blurring in OpenCV, digital image processing, we are going to use median blur function. And that function is median B capital LUR method. Okay, median blur method. So the code will be import CV2. You guys know why I am doing that to deal with the OpenCV. And then image CV2 imread. That means I'm going to import our image and see I'm picking one satellite image. Can you tell me why I'm picking the satellite image? Yeah, you are right, because in case of satellite image, you usually face with different types of noises. Okay, because those are highly affected by noises. So that's why I'm picking one satellite image. Now, blur image, I'm giving the name of the output after blurring as blur image, BLUR underscore image, and that is being found from this median blur function. See, CV2 dot median blur. We have two parameters here. IMZ, that's the original image, then 5. What is this 5? 5 means I am applying 50%. So what is that 50%? Means 50% median noise with that median blur. Okay, means I'm applying this median blur with respect to 50% of the salt and pepper noise with respect to our median blur. So that's why 5. You may note it. Okay, 5 refers to the 50% of the noise with respect to median blur function. Then whenever I'll implement this line, then the original image will be blurred and it will be stored in a blur image variable. Now I'm going to display the original image, CV2 image, original image. Then I'm going to display the blur image, and then CV2 weight key 0. You guys know that why I'm using this. I have explained a lot about this function in my, I think, second classes, I think. Okay. So this function is very important. Now, with this, you may compare the result. Okay. You will compare the result. And one thing you can also do, that original image we already have, you can write the output image with a different name. Suppose I'm writing here with satellite 12 blur JPG. In that way, we can compare it better. So now open your Python spider. So that's our spider. Now the functions and all the codes I have just shown to you, I have explained it to you, I have written as it is in my ID. So let's execute it. These are the codes. You will see it. You can take a screenshot. Okay. Now I have saved it already with the name blar-median.py. Of course, py stands for Python files. So execute it. So when I have executed, I have got the two means see these are the outputs. So this is the original image. You see, this is the original image, and this is the blurred version of it. So look at the images carefully, then you'll see the difference. As it is, my question will be for this lecture that what is the difference you have seen in your output blurred image. Look at the image carefully, look at both the image very carefully. Okay, then tell me what differences we have got through this blurred version of this blur median. Okay, so answer the means your subjective evaluation. Okay, it's not the it may not be the same from individual to individual. You will give your comment of your own evaluation or of your own observation. I'll go through it. Okay, so today we have gone through very important function, that is what, the median blur function. And we have seen that this function will turn our image blurring whenever salt and pepper noise present in the original image. This will be very helpful. So let's terminate the class. I will wait for your comments. I will see that how you have executed and what are the different observations you have made on the experimental results. So meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.